Alright guys, welcome back to Josh's Fish Keeping. Today we are putting back up the 75-gallon saltwater tank. As you can see, we've already started. Got 2 more rocks from the 20 and just threw them in there. And you know the 2 white rocks were already in the 75 when I took it down. But yeah, hope you enjoy. He's very special. Oh, what's in there? Alright guys, so we're almost to the top. So it's still looking at the fish tank, acting like there's fish in there. It's coming and going very well. Zach's over there making some salt. We'll get back to you when we are done. Alright guys, so we finally got it filled up all the way. Perfect, 32 all around, salinity's good. It's just really cloudy. Thanks buddy. But yeah, we got it done. Gonna let it run for a while. Make sure this time we don't get any fish with ick. But yeah, it's nice having the salt water going again. You see a little bit, we added the rocks in there. Sand's been doing good, water's flowing. Alright guys, so we're going to give you a quick update on Paul and the snails. As you can see, Paul's just chilling in the tank. He looks like he's about to shed his skin, but I don't really know because he lost some of his feelers, which is weird, but he's doing good in here. And then we got the guppy tank. Yes, I know it looks like poop, but this light up here is has very powerful UAVs, so it's making the tank get a lot of algae. But we have some new additions. We got this male because Captain America suddenly passed away for some reason. And then I think that's the new female, that yellow one. She's pregnant. We got this one with the blue tail. She's pregnant. So we got at least 4 females in here that are pregnant right now. So hopefully we'll be having some babies again soon. But if you want to come up here, as you can see, there's some little ones in there, little baby ones, and then there's some big ones. I woke up yesterday morning and there were 7 little new guys floating around. So I scooped them up, put them in there, so then now the parents want to eat them.